Buying your first motorcycle is exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. With so many models, opinions, and recommendations online, it's easy to feel lost before you even walk into a dealership. Some riders will tell you to start with the smallest bike you can find, while others insist you'll outgrow a beginner motorcycle within a few months. The truth is that choosing your first bike isn't about buying the fastest machine or the one with the biggest engine. It's about finding a motorcycle that helps you build confidence every time you ride. A great beginner bike should be forgiving when you make mistakes, comfortable enough for everyday use, and exciting enough that you'll still enjoy riding it after you've gained experience. In today's video, we'll look at 3 motorcycles that consistently earn praise from both new and experienced riders. Whether you're planning to commute, take weekend rides, or simply experience the freedom that comes with 2 wheels, these motorcycles are among the smartest places to begin your riding journey. Before we jump into the list, it's important to understand what actually makes a motorcycle beginner-friendly. Many people focus only on engine size, but that's only part of the equation. Weight, seat height, riding position, throttle response, clutch feel, braking performance, and overall balance all play a much bigger role in helping new riders feel comfortable. A motorcycle that feels predictable allows you to focus on developing good riding habits instead of constantly fighting the machine. As your confidence grows, your skills naturally improve, making every ride safer and more enjoyable. The motorcycles in today's list each have their own personality, but they all share one important quality. They're approachable enough for beginners while still offering enough performance and character to keep you smiling long after you've gained experience. Starting our list at number 3 is the Kawasaki Ninja 500. At first glance, it looks like a serious supersport motorcycle with its aggressive styling and sharp fairings. However, beneath that sporty appearance is one of the most approachable motorcycles available today. Its parallel twin engine delivers smooth, predictable power that's easy to manage, allowing new riders to build confidence without feeling intimidated. The lightweight chassis makes parking lot practice and slow-speed maneuvering much easier than heavier motorcycles, while the comfortable ergonomics make longer rides surprisingly enjoyable. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets, exploring winding country roads, or taking your first highway ride, the Ninja 500 remains composed and confidence-inspiring. It gives you the excitement of a sport bike without demanding years of riding experience, making it one of the best choices for riders who have always dreamed of owning a fully faired motorcycle. Another reason the Ninja 500 continues to receive so many recommendations is its reputation for reliability. Kawasaki has spent decades building dependable motorcycles, and this model continues that tradition. Maintenance is straightforward, replacement parts are widely available, and fuel economy is excellent, making ownership much less stressful for first-time riders. The motorcycle also has a large community of owners who regularly share maintenance advice, riding tips, and customization ideas. That means you'll never be short of information or support as you begin your riding journey. For many riders, the Ninja 500 offers the perfect combination of sporty looks, everyday practicality, and long-term reliability. Coming in at number 2 is the Honda CB500 Hornet. Unlike the fully faired Ninja, the Hornet embraces a clean naked bike design that focuses on simplicity, visibility, and rider confidence. Its upright seating position gives you an excellent view of the road ahead, while the wide handlebars make slow-speed control feel natural and predictable. The engine delivers smooth power throughout the rev range, allowing beginners to learn throttle control without feeling overwhelmed. Honda's legendary reputation for reliability is another major reason why so many instructors and experienced riders recommend this motorcycle. Whether you're riding to work every day, exploring scenic roads on weekends, or simply practicing your riding skills, the CB500 Hornet always feels balanced, comfortable, and easy to manage. One of the Hornet's greatest strengths is its versatility. It's comfortable enough for commuting, agile enough for weekend rides, and capable enough for longer trips as your confidence grows. Instead of specializing in just one type of riding, it performs well in almost every situation. Many owners keep their CB500 Hornet for years because it never feels outdated or limiting. As your riding skills improve, you'll begin to appreciate just how refined its handling really is. It's the kind of motorcycle that quietly does everything well, which is exactly why it has earned such a loyal following around the world. Taking the number 1 spot is the Yamaha MT-07, a motorcycle that has become one of the most respected middleweight bikes ever built. Some riders debate whether it's too powerful for beginners, but raw power alone doesn't determine whether a motorcycle is beginner-friendly. What matters just as much is how predictable that power is and how responsibly it's used. The MT-07 combines a lightweight chassis with an upright riding position and an engine that's both responsive and manageable. Ride within your limits, respect the throttle, and the motorcycle rewards you with an experience that's exciting without becoming intimidating. It's fun in the city, enjoyable on twisty roads, and comfortable enough for everyday riding, making it one of the most versatile motorcycles available today. Perhaps the biggest advantage of the MT-07 is that it's a motorcycle you can continue enjoying for many years. Unlike some beginner bikes that owners quickly replace, the MT-07 continues to feel rewarding as your skills improve. Its playful handling, strong mid-range torque, and comfortable ergonomics create a riding experience that remains engaging no matter how much experience you gain. Many riders buy an MT-07 as their first motorcycle and never feel the need to upgrade because it offers such an enjoyable balance of performance, practicality, and everyday usability. So, which motorcycle should you choose? If you've always dreamed of owning a sleek sport bike with aggressive styling, the Kawasaki Ninja 500 is an excellent place to start. If your priority is comfort, simplicity, and confidence, the Honda CB500 Hornet is one of the easiest motorcycles to recommend. And if you're looking for a motorcycle that can grow with you while continuing to put a smile on your face for years, the Yamaha MT-07 is hard to beat. At the end of the day, there isn't one perfect beginner motorcycle for everyone. The right choice depends on your budget, your riding goals, your experience level, and the type of riding you plan to do most often. No matter which one you choose, investing in proper rider training, quality protective gear, and safe riding habits will always be more important than buying the most powerful motorcycle. Your first motorcycle is more than just a machine. It's the beginning of countless adventures, new skills, unforgettable memories, and the freedom that only riding can provide. Every experienced rider remembers their first bike because that's where the journey truly begins. Choosing the right motorcycle won't instantly make you a great rider, but it will make learning easier, safer, and much more enjoyable. If you're planning to buy your first motorcycle, let us know in the comments which one you're considering or which bike you think deserves a place on this list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Pixel Rev for more motorcycle rankings, reviews, riding tips, and unique motorcycle content with a retro-inspired twist. Thanks for watching, ride smart, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next ride.